That light has the plug damage on it. It probably still works. Y'all, this thing runs. I pulled the fuel pump relay because I needed to get the ignition to the run position instead of the accessory so I could get mileage. And if you can tell, I cut the belts off, and she still makes a whole bunch of noise. Missing a knob there. The temp control works perfectly fine. Floor motor works good. Let's see here. I will test this regulator before I pull it. Let's see. Actually, let's try this. Top is not active. Okay. Well, hey guys,